Uno quiet. Uno quiet. It's only me one can put peace out here. First of all, I can tell you, no, Tina, me not making any more fake page. Why you block me, ma'am? Don't block me, because I go talk about the sitting them little. You tell me, say, 13 of somebody where I think there. Where she appear. For stalk you and follow you and troll you. You not tell me, say, come let me talk the story now. Come let me talk the story. You not tell me, say, I want a lady named Julian who live in New York. And Noel neighbor and her sister Denise. She live in New York, but her sister Denise, they are Jamaica. And her sister Denise are the one where for send you the picture with Noel mother. Tina, come here. How me could that you want me put out Noel address out here? You know say Noel address come give me. How me could I know say Marvel in Noel come from? You know tell me say Noel have 3 sisters and Georgia Cunningham and Noel's sister and she come cross the border and run over them. Now that you tell me and say she always a trouble you. But that is true. Cause she always a comment about you. You not tell me so. You tell me so. How me could I know that? How me could I know say Marvel Noel come from? No, you tell me people in business. I may help you chat them. No, you tell me say yeah send money go Jamaica go give bar tough. Tina, today the woman birthday, you know. I don't want turn up out here. What did you tell me say the woman will make birthday tell you about? Why you tell me say you not like the woman? You not tell me say the woman can tell you about Obi man and Dana. You not tell me say the woman you don't like the woman. When you go for cuss that the woman there. When make birthday and talk about the woman big and workless. What do you when you that at the woman you want to talk about? Come here you chat the woman too. The last thing when you tell me about the woman at the ear, I'm come out here come chat. You not tell me say a festive tell you say Lorena left in grandson one at the house. What you tell me about festive say? You not go as far and tell me say you not like none of them reject them. You only keep them to get information from them. So you tell me, when me and you go for chat the woman and make birthday today, what you tell me about the woman? You not tell me say the woman sick you to buck. You not tell me say that's why you drop off the cake. Not that you tell me. Me and you not chat the woman or the woman workless. You not tell me say you not like the woman. Cause you say the woman reach out to you. And the woman always a send you things. Don't make a turn up out here. Don't make I turn up out here. You go as far and tell me say. And so when you tell me about troubles, you tell me about the about Sophie, you know. I say Sophie can't cuss. And I forget Sophie irritable pancreas. You tell me says you write the email. You tell me say you write the email and make Sophie lose her job. Just say Sophie cuss KRIS. And you can't tell me people in business you know Tina, me never ask you nothing, you know. So me I go ask you now, who is Julian we live in New York? We have in sister when you and Denise, we are Noel neighbor. Down in a map, you want me put out Noel address out here where you give me? And you used to get Ashanti show up on Dana. And when you talk him content, and that's why I'm not like you know that you tell me. You not tell me say if Shana dead. And when Shana dead, Shana daddy can bury her. But you don't know how you gonna bury your daddy. Tina, me never question your business. You carry your business, come tell me. What you tell me say about Bob? What you tell me say about Bob? You not tell me say one morning when Dana did that help somebody. And you and Bob did that on the phone and Bob make the fake page and go over there go right act Dana say if in things say charity done. Bob, you must know if Allah you come right here. What you tell me about the people them? Tina no made it fill up the person from tourist board, my friend, for contact my friend, for write the letter for fuck up Noel. No me fi look a person fi go fuck up Noel food for make scandal upon him and tear him down. You not tell me say you go tell Ashanti say your son go put ear in a Dana cake. Tina, because it reaching a police and a Jamaica, make I don't talk a full story about taking Dana life out here. And if you fuck with me, I make me come here go easy with you. But if you fuck with me, I make me a chipper come out here, come report every blood clotting and on up social media and go in and don't care. Cause nobody can beat me out here. And because certain things in the end up. Come here, Tina. Who give you a private number? All the person that you talk or you don't blood clot like them. And you will never blood clot like them. All the person that you talk or you don't. Who give you a private number? You want me ball out who you tell me say you done a private number? You want me rip it out pan ya? How me coulda know say? Come here. Lorian put for your blood clot right here cause you in the mix up too. How me coulda know say? Lorian and Miss Nuncia friend all a blood clot long. And I Miss Nuncia niece. How you tell me? Man, you make me mix up people out of this blood clot because when you chat to the people, you carry back and tell me. How Shania's story go? You not tell me say. How who are you call Shania? And you never trust blood clot Lorraine. Cause Lorraine love record people should not tell a lie on your Lorraine. Don't blood clot vex. When the truth don't vex. Don't blood clot vex. When the truth come out, don't blood clot vex. Cause you not in a nothing with blood. You not tell me see a long time you never blood clot like them. You not tell me see a long time you no blood clot like them. Is that there already? What you tell me say then tell you say who go pay money a blood clot? Who go pay part of blood clot money a Obia man? Which blogger tell you so? And that's why you not like them. Because them big ass stink. And which blogger obsessed with her and always a call you? Tina, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Who you send go over Lorraine camp to find out if Lorraine loyal? I want you leave my blood clot alone out here, cause we turn up social media. Are you care? The people in business can't tell me nothing. How the lie go about speak my mind blood clot, mother? You don't like what you not tell me, say the main reason. Come here. Tina, you not tell me say you not like none of that reject them who want come by you. You not tell me say the main reason why you like why you with blood clot go easy with them and play the role with them. You see what I mean? You remember say so you remember that word? You see what I mean? And you say how because them are cuss Dana, but you don't like none of them. What you tell me about, you not tell me say me didn't know say a Saja radical as she was Sharon Broomfield. No, you can't do woman business come tell me. Me say if it's not you care the woman, what you tell me about the woman say? You not come here, let me touch Stacy. You not tell me say you have somebody Tina money a beat you. What person tell you say a 2 house Stacy own? You not tell me so, say a 2 house Stacy own. You not tell me say you have somebody where dig up Stacy. How you tell me people in business not Tina? But me want to know what you tell me about the people them, the little people them, where you and them should have a friend. Can you tell me say it's festive, tell you say Lorraine leave her grandson alone. Half a minute, me want to know the woman from Florida. Anybody know the woman from Florida? I can't wait till doctor come. I want to know this woman from Florida. You not tell me say, come here Tina. When Stacy did come out pan ya see a wing one, what you tell me say? What you ball and tell me say? No, you tell me say a shingles you have. Because Kevin, they give you disease. Me know who near Kevin. Me know about Kevin out here. Me know who near Kevin. Me know a boy named Kevin. Me ask you say if me know Kevin. But me never see this with this nasty dirty girl. And you care the people in business and the people in plotting. But me ask you, which blogger tell you say them pay Obia man a Jamaica? And you say that's why you don't like the blogger. How you can't tell me people in business Tina and me help you chat to people in? You not dig down Michelle and can't find her. You nah dig down Michelle and can't find her. You want me tell you what you tell me? Who did fill up the man? Me know I laugh that me, but me know about ice cream man. Me know who you have actual people. No, you tell me say you live 4 minutes from Dunkin' Donut. How you carry the people in business come tell me? Me never question you. All of them I reject them with child contact you where you run. Tina not like none of uno. Me did the pa phone call the man. Who you tell me say the one of them I reject them? Didn't Lorraine hang up the phone? All that you have up Lorraine for? You know, Lorraine, come here. Come speak the blood clean truth out here. Didn't you hang up the phone and went behind and called Shanae? No, you tell me so when they call you rain, that's why they give you rain a hard time. Why me couldn't give you rain because you rain? Me didn't know say you rain running off a phone. Me didn't know say you rain running off a phone. No, you tell me say woman. Where the woman because they say the woman he called Dana about for help with her charity and Dana insult the woman because Dana alone want to do charity down there. The woman that got urine school. Now you tell me say and that's why. No, you tell me say you're going at when you did over come here. The girl when he come out and say him a go sue Dana. Come here Tina. Now you tell me say you did that on the live. And you go contact a woman. Now you tell me so. Now you tell me so. Now you sit down by your laptop and report the people them went and them a travel. Me coulda know see how you write letter make Sophie losing work for Sophie turn pan KRIS. Me coulda know say you have Dana. Me coulda know say you have Dana private number. How could I know that? And you tell me who give it to you, now make me come out here come rip. And you tell me people in business, Tina. Who tell you so them pay part money at Obia Bandung at Jamaica? Fidana. No, you tell me. You imagine you get up and carry the people in business come tell me. And when it done, You go try now, come put Noel in a mix up. Oh, you forget Noel in a mix up and you send come tell me say, Julian, one of Noel neighbor will live in New York and her sister down there. Me know say you want me put out Noel address out just say I make me fling out Noel address out here. I make me fling out the picture where you send come give me where you tell me say you put up a woman sitting over same way so TV. Well you tell me say same way so TV I feel. You not promise to put me in the group where you have over Facebook, the private group. How me could I know the people in business? How could I know the people in business? You take up the people in business and not chat to people and you never like none of them. You not tell me say a 13 put out the kitchen number and 13 call over the kitchen and make you lose the space over the kitchen. You not tell me say you not sleep at night time. How you carry the people in business come tell me? Which man you send down at that yard and make with the thinker Bob? Which man? You not tell me say you don't know what you talking per phone with Lorraine. Cause you not tape, you know want Lorraine tell a lie by you. And most of the things you say, now so you tell me. That's why you did send Festive over there. How you carry the people in business and come and tell me. I don't fast into people business if you come tell me the people in business. You carry the people in business, come tell me and tell me what you do. And tell me who tell you this and who tell you that. You like the woman when you make the cake for? The last thing when you tell me about the woman here. Or you cuss and galang.